going on, everyone? Welcome back. I just want to give a quick update what's going on with the car. I haven't been able to work on it. I've had some back issues. It's actually kept me out of work. I'm now mobile again, so I started working on the car a little bit. I still don't have the Supercharger, but it did ship and I should have it Monday, being 2 days from now. So I started kind of ripping up the front of the car. Trying to figure out where I'm going to put this intercooler. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get rid of this. I was going to try to do something trick with it, but honestly, I just feel like if it's gonna inhibit the flow to the intercooler too much, and that's fine. Honestly, if I ever bump anything in the front anyway, that thing's going to ruin it. So damned if I do, damned if I don't. The other thing I did, took the intake off the car, kind of started laying out some pipes, but it's really tough without having the blower here. I got all this from Treadstone, and I had the box sitting around for a couple weeks. Finally decided to open it up, and I'm missing parts. So I'm missing all my 3-inch couplers. I only needed a few of them, missing all the clamps, so I got a hold of those guys, and they are back ordered. They didn't let me know that when I ordered it. It didn't say it was back ordered or anything, so they're sending me a bunch of clamps that I don't want. They're sending me blue silicone. I ordered black. Figured I'd probably powder coat everything black. So that's really where I'm at. I mean, I got pretty much everything except the supercharger and injectors. I got one with the precision 50 millimeter blow off valve. I don't see a lot of guys running the precision stuff. Everybody's using the tile, which is fine. I figured I'd be a little bit different. I don't know how much different it'll be, but it's a pretty nice piece. So looking forward to running that. Got my boost gauge, excited to have one of those. Still haven't done the fuel pump, just my back hasn't been quite up to it. I got the SCT BA 5000, that's in here. So got the adapter. Took a while to get that kind of stuff too. Really tough doing this with one hand. Got that. I bought this adapter or mount off of eBay. That's pretty nice. CNC. Pretty nice piece. So that'll end up somewhere over here eventually. And that's about it. Nothing too exciting. I mean, I'm pretty excited to get this going. So as soon as I get it on Monday, I'll do a little unboxing video. Hopefully they send me everything, and that's about it. So for now, I guess one more thing. I'm gonna put in a power steering cooler. I haven't quite figured out where I'm gonna mount that yet. I'm gonna have to make a mount because I'm not gonna use that bumper piece, I'm pretty sure. So I can't mount it off the bottom of that. I may do something off the front here. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated, and hopefully on Monday or Tuesday I'll upload an unboxing video of the Vortech V2 Ti trim. All right, thank you.